Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily forget your Wi-Fi network and connect to your network once again in your Samsung Smart Monitor. So at first you need to go to the left where all your options are and scroll down to the settings. Now all settings, and here scroll to the connections. Here open network, and here as you can see we do have our network. Here we have to click the network settings, and now we are searching for the new network. As you can see, this is our and we have to scroll down to manage. Here I have to click on our Wi-Fi network and click delete. That's how to forget your Wi-Fi network. But to connect to your Wi-Fi network once again, you have to go back and wait for it to be scanned. Click on it, I guess it's this one, and now enter your password. So let me enter my password very quickly. Now we have to click done here. Now we are connected to our Wi-Fi network and we are connected. And that's how Wi-Fi works. Goodbye!